Laura and this is my project. Living things. All living things have a life cycle. They begin life, grow, reproduce, and rise. We classify living things into four groups: animals, plants, fungi, and microorganisms. Animals. The animals can move. They eat plants or other animals. We can classify the animals into five groups: mammals, fish, birds, reptiles, and amphibians. Plants. The plants cannot move. They make their own food. We can classify into three groups: grass, tree, and shrub. Fungi. The fungi cannot move. They get food from the remains of the other living things. Microorganisms. The microorganisms are tiny living things.